It's a heavy duty oven clean. Nice and dirty. We always take these off. And the roof is probably a bit, yeah, it's not great. So the first step, scraping off all the hard stuff. It's really important that you do it over the sink. Don't do it on the bench, it's going to hurt the bench. You get most of that off. Now, to do that, we'll use a glass scraper. Just going to take it over to the oven and get a whole bunch of spraying done. Mask on, wet washcloth just in case. Windows are open, we're ready to go. See how close I am to all of this, so I've got to make sure I wipe that later. As you spray each one, put it back in the oven. We're just going to make sure we haven't got any excess stuff where we shouldn't have it. If you're doing this at home, now's the time when you can go off and grab a coffee somewhere, go and grab some lunch, because we've got 3 to 5 hours here for this to soak. And the reason we want to do that is because we actually want to be able to just wipe it off, not much scrubbing. So, close it up, and I'm going to go and get some other things done. You enjoy a coffee. As you can see, it's been soaking away. It's been nearly 5 or 6 hours. So most of it's just going to fall off. First thing we're going to do though is all of these trays and all of the racks, we do that in the sink. The best way to do this is actually under running water. A light scrub of this, and hopefully everything just falls off. Yeah, I don't really have to scrub. Now with these racks, I'm going to rinse all the oven cleaner off first. Then we'll see if we actually need to scrub anything. But don't start scrubbing wildly while there's still oven cleaner there, because you'll just spit it out everywhere. So let's give it a rinse. I'm just checking to see if there's any little black bits, like there is just here. And then a final rinse. This is really important. You got to get all this oven cleaner off. Okay, there's the money shot. So all we're doing at the moment is just removing the oven cleaner, okay? That'll give us an idea on what's left underneath, whether we need to scrape anything, use steel wool, all those kinds of things, and we'll figure it out as we go. But they're going to need a new one. Okay, the base is looking pretty good. Now I knew this one was going to be a doozy. I decided I'm going to clean everything else and then we'll attack the top later. But first of all, I need to just spray it with some dishwashing liquids, spray, or water. But it just helps to clear out all the rest that's there. Now it's all dripping down. Now we'll just wipe that out. Just getting rid of some of this. Just going to get out our magic wand again, gently. That'll just help us get rid of that last bit. Oh, that's better. Yeah, a bit more tidying up to do. Now, you can argue that that's finished. All that stuff came off the top. Now, there is a last step. That's this. Close the oven up and turn it on. Right, it doesn't have to be on for long, but it does have to be on. What we're going to do is dry everything up in there, and then we'll see if there's any extra oven cleaner still left. Only needs about 5 minutes. While that's brewing away, we'll clean the front. It's just dishwashing liquid on it. Now we can turn it off now. We do have to let it cool down before we do anything else. We also need to get under this section as well. So we've let it go, it's cooled down. We're just gonna have a look, see if there's any like dried oven cleaner. Notice on the hinges, see how I've missed that? See this? It's a little bit up in there. So all you need to do with that is just literally get a wet cloth. And the stuff's just gonna come off nice and easy for you. I'm actually really quite happy with how it's come out. That's good, now we can put it back together. You just want to make sure these are dry. This came out pretty well. Perfect, actually. Now this was the painful tray. One of the key things when you're using oven cleaner is you really do need to make sure that you rinse it all out. I came across another one recently that was supposed to have been done by a professional cleaner. You judge it. See that one? See that one? They really didn't clean it, right? They've sprayed a lot of oven cleaner in there. They didn't take the side racks out. They didn't rinse anything out. They've just wiped it and then just left it like that. Ended up it damaged the oven. But this one's come out nice. Happy times. Personally, I'm really glad to see the end of it.
There you have it. If you think this video is good stuff, please tap the like button and share it with your friends. If you have a question or you just want to say hi, whack it in the comments below and I'll get to them ASAP. Here's a couple more videos to check out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your cleaning.